Darling, are you a cat this? What's your name? Eh? Kimoni, I just want to say congratulations to you, you know. You push a little cat and I said a little produce them. We are talking about peas. This is what, darling? Beetroot. And of course, the pepper. We have carrot, tomato. Kimoni do our thing in a Montego Bay people and thing and whatever. So how busy is today?
Well, not too bad.
Not too bad. You say look at something, though.
Yes.
So hard work this?
Yes, sir.
So oh, you know, like, but you're a good looking girl and whatever and thing like that. And you know, you push a little cat. Anybody ever saying a little thing like say you push cat and go like them want style you or anything like so?
Well, you know, that's a part of the game. We all got to work hard.
Right. But you not look upon them. You just
Yes,
go out
sir.
there and do what you need to do, don't you?
Yes. Are you Ragashanti?
Yeah man, a Ragashanti attack to you man. You never know.
No.
Alright, but there man.
Alright,
But that's me see a cut and go through and you know, you just very focused on things. I'm just saying, you know, some rate them something there.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You're big and serious and keep it up and build and grow. You understand? You know, save local money, put something for you, grow your business. Next thing you know, you have a shop, all these things, alright? Go through same right here. Love and respect, man. Cool.